Okay, well, I'm your instructor for right now, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about plants. We're going to start off with roots. Roots are the main source of the absorption of nutrients, and they can do a lot of things. Roots. They look a lot like this. They go into the ground, and if you are a kindergartner, then you might want to know how to spell it. Because might be on one of your spelling tests that I always used to hate to take. Roots. They absorb, they store, and they anchor. They absorb the nutrients that are in the soil from the root hairs. They store those nutrients inside themselves, and they anchor the plant to prevent it from being blown away. Except if there's a tornado, then you really can't do anything about that. Anyways, there is the primary root, and it's mainly for absorption and anchorage. And the secondary root, the root cap is for protection. The adventitious roots are from stem and leaf cuttings, and the root tuber is the food storage organ. Okay, stems. The stems are like the blood vessels in our bodies. They operate mainly the same way as our blood vessels do. This is kind of like what a stem looks like. It's herbaceous stems and woody stems. Just see how nice that wood of that stem is. That's how you spell stems right there, if you didn't know how. The xylem. The xylem is in charge of transporting the water throughout the plant, and the phloem is in charge of transporting the food. The terminal bud and the lateral bud. The terminal bud is at the tip of the stem, and the lateral bud is at the stem side. Next, these are specialized stems: bulbs, corms, rhizomes, stem tuber, and stolon. The bulbs are short, flattened, and food storage leaves. Corms are underground growth. Rhizomes are below ground stem. Stem tuber is underground in their swollen tips. And a stolon is horizontal, and it is above the ground. Now it's time to talk about the leaves. And that is what leaves look like. Yeah. Leaves are responsible for the food production in the plant. They're responsible for doing photosynthesis. For us humans, they take in carbon dioxide and they produce oxygen. And the stomata is an opening in the leaf that allows for gaseous exchanges. Flowers. Flowers are very pretty. I just want to eat it. Anyways, the flowers are the reproductive organs of the plant. They have the sepals, the pistil, which is the female reproductive part. They have the stamens, which are the male reproductive parts, and the petals, which are the pretty and attractive parts. A complete flower has all of the things needed. An incomplete flower lacks one of sepals, petals, stamen, or pistil. A perfect flower has both male and female parts, and an imperfect flower has or is missing one. Thank you. This was produced by Adam and Jesse. Okay.
Okay.